How to set up Bluehost hosting account. 1. Go to bluehost.com. 2. Then you need to choose a domain name for your site. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it here, and you will just have to go through a few extra steps to make sure you get your DNS pointed to Bluehost. If you don't already have a domain name, you can purchase one from right in the sign-up process. 3. Once you've entered a domain name, you'll fill in your personal information. 4. Then, you'll choose which hosting package you want. Normal, shared hosting is priced at 12, 24 and 36-month terms. To help save you money, the longer term you purchase, the lower the monthly rate will be. For example, by choosing a 36-month hosting term, you can get a great introductory rate of $3.95 per month. 5. After you've filled in your information and chosen your hosting package, click the Next button to complete your purchase. You'll then be asked to create a password for your account. Now that you are all signed up and are able to log into your account, you can get started installing WordPress. 6. This will open the installation window. Click on the green Start button that will start the WordPress installation process, which has a few easy steps. 7. After you've read the terms and conditions, check the box indicating that you've done so, then click Install Now. 8. Now you'll see the progress page, which will show you how far along the installation is. Once WordPress is fully installed, it will provide you with your site URL, the admin login URL, your username, and password. You will get a copy of this information, except your password, in your email as well. Make sure to keep it in a safe place. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel.